Spotify's wrapped. It says good soup. Are they selling soup? This is so cute. Oh my god, I want soup. Oh my god, I'm so getting one.
Do you like garlic? No problem.
I'm getting the Hearth with Tuscan Sun. Thank you. Oh my god, it's so cute. Whenever you see these neon signs, that means there's a film shoot in the city, and NCP is code for and Just Like That, which is Sex and the City 2. I've seen them film a few times, which was iconic. They're filming, I think, on Broome and Thompson, which is down the street. So I might walk past there and see them. But this soup is so good. Don't mind my chipped nails. But I'm going to Urban Outfitters right now to do a few returns, and I think Parade in Soho just opened up, so I might check that out as well. And then I think I need to go to Verizon and get a new phone. Soho's starting to look like Christmas. The Sephora store over here, I'll show you guys, looks really pretty. And I'm dying to decorate my apartment for Christmas, but all of my decor is in a box in Jersey, so I've yet to get that. But okay, yeah, I think Parade is open. It's up there on the left. And then I think Verizon is around here too, actually. Are those cute, guys? I kind of want them like really bad. I don't love the wedge part, but the Sherpa is so cute.
Thanks again. Thank you so much. Have a good one. I was just in I forgot that. Yeah, 100%.
Wow, oh my god, the passion fruit. You guys know I love passion fruit. White strawberries.
Pretty sure it's from there.
Oh my god, it's adorable. So Parade has a collab with Regina's, which just opened on Mulberry. How cute. It's so Italian in there. He's making my sandwich, so nice. And I think I got this little Parade extra virgin olive oil, I'm not sure. But I got the Cousin Christina, which looks sick. And I think it also comes with this cloth, I'm not kidding. How cute though. But I was so excited to eat this. I got my sandwich and Parade merch. I'm gonna show you guys when I get home. Passing on my Leon door right now, but I'm craving their coffee. Here is the iconic sandwich. Look at that. Oh my god, it looks so good. And then here's the little olive oil they gave me. Love. And a little like scarfy thing. Love. And also like these little stickers. And I don't know what this is. Looks really good. And a little discount code. So yeah. Maddie and I are at House of Yes, and we're in Brooklyn, and we're going to an event with Victor and Rolf for Flower Bomb, so.
I have last year's plans. I'm gonna go to dinner with my family. And then go to the
So Daniel and I are going to dinner at La Mercerie at the Guild. It looks so pretty. Thank you. Ooh, oh my God, look at it in here. So pretty. So we just ordered a salad. It looks incredible. I don't know how this works, but the bread is also insane. We got red wine, and this place is literally the nicest restaurant. It's so pretty.
Beautiful. Thank you so much.
Thank you. It's the next day, and Daniel and I are at Ame, and we just got this like fluffy looking layered coffee, and we're gonna go to La Pecora for breakfast, and then we're going to the Met. First impression sips. Really good, but it's with soy milk, so
She's right inside.
we'll see how it goes. This might fit. I'll show you guys more later, but we're gonna go eat. So we're at La Pecora. We got ricotta toast and my favorite salad ever that I always recreate. It's so cute in here. Love when the kitchen's like exposed like that. So I got cacio e pepe. Oh my God, Daniel got, I don't even know what that is. Sausage, burrata, looks insane. Broccoli Rob? We're up by the Met, and look how pretty everything's decorated for Christmas. We're walking over now. And I think we'll only have like 2 hours here because it's already 3 o'clock, but whatever. Here we are. Should I jump in? Looks so calming, actually. So pretty. Wow, this is